Jolly tayo, jolly. Joke. Kung tayo ng 4 plus 1. So, yung given, that is y equals to square root of 4x squared plus 1. So, meron tayong, i-write lang natin to guys as exponential. So, pag square root, naka-raise to 1 half yan. Alam natin yan. Then, kunin natin yung derivative. So, bali chain rule lang din. So, magkaroon tayo ng 1 half. Copy lang tong term. Magiging 4x squared plus 1. Then, bawasan yung 1 half ng 1. Magiging negative 1 half. Then, times the derivative nito. That is 4x squared magiging 8x times yung derivative ng 1 plus yung derivative ng 1 I mean is 0. So, 8x na lang. Then, multiply lang natin to dito. So, magkaroon tayo ng 1 half times 8x. Magiging 8x over 2 yun. Which is magiging 4x. Then, copy lang natin yung 4x squared plus 1 raised to negative 1 half. So, ibabalik natin siya sa form ng square root. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 4x. Pero, siyempre, negative exponent siya. Ibababa natin yun. So, pwede nating sabihin na magiging 4x squared na siya plus 1. Pero, positive na yung exponent. So, ibabalik na natin siya sa square root. Kasi alam natin na ang raised to 1 half is square root. So, copy natin yung numerator. Then, magkakaroon tayo ng 4x squared plus 1. Square root yun. So, bali, ito yung magiging derivative natin. Ang shortcut lang dyan, lagi kang may 2. Then, kung ano yung radical sa denominator. Lagi may 2. Hindi ko alam. That is letter D. Anong laging may 2? 2 saan? Lagi kang may 2. Bali, denominator mo dapat is 2 square root of. Ayo nga no. May tutunan naman tayo guys. Iba talaga si Idol Rapi. Oh, gets yan. Derivative na ito. Tapos to lang sa square root. Oo, gets yun. Galing talaga. May talent talaga si Idol. Pwede na sa MPL. Next. Ito ang hindi ko alam. Paano ito pag tan 3x squared? Hindi ko na to alam. Dok. Dali lang yan guys. Alam na natin yan. Magiging second squared yan. So, magiging 6 second squared. Ayun, letter D. Basic. Letter D. Chain rule. Hindi. Joke. Letter D yan guys.